All right, everybody, here's the first drop. Mile toss this morning. It was calm when I let them go, but on the way back the wind kicked up, so they have a headwind. Come on. Come on. Come on. So anyway, everybody, here comes more. Race is still on as of right now for Sunday. They're going to get a lot of side wind, a little bit of tailwind, and a little bit of headwind, depending on where they're at on the course during the day. So good luck to everybody. This is our last training toss before the race, and it looks like the birds are doing good. So good luck to everybody, and we'll be talking to you soon.